number one.
Jay Dean is on their path to becoming the newest acting idols, but the two haven't forgotten their first passion, being performers. Aside from duets for their movie soundtracks, they both successfully released their solo albums.
I really love R&B. Michael Jackson, Chris Brown. They're my influences. At first, I was like first fell in love with like the performing, and I learned to love to sing. Acting came second, and I wanted to sing. I didn't want that, so I asked Buswick for an album. So when he gave me, he said, "Sure, I'll give you an album, but this time next year you're gonna be the next Matinee Idol." And I said, "Sure, if you can do it, I'll leave it up to you, whatever you say." I didn't think, of course, but then 1 year later, exactly 1 year later, that's when Diary ng Pangit was released. And then I was in Yes Magazine and it said, "Meet the next Matinee Idol," and I was like, "Buswick, you did it. You did it."
I love dancing, I love singing, tapos I love music pa, so it's the three things that I love put together. For some reason, iba po yung nagbibigay niya sa akin rush.
I've done maybe 100 shows in the past 5 years, and I still get sick before each show. So butterflies in my stomach, I still get nervous, I still panic, and my heart races, and I feel like throwing up. But then as soon as I step on the stage, after about 10 seconds, it goes away. I love the feeling.
They really seem to be riding high with their success and in achieving their dreams and passions one by one, which makes this dream project even more special for JD. Their first primetime teleserye, On the Wings of Love.
Sa San Francisco, well, it was, I don't know, it was amazing kasi like we were driving a top-down car through the Golden Gate Bridge, Napa Valley, lahat po ng mga magagandang places na puntahan namin.
Yeah, I felt like a Hollywood star, to be honest. I mean, we were in America, in San Francisco, and every shot that we went to, it's like out of a movie that I've seen. And then people walking by and they're like, "Can we join? Can we be extras? We're game."
I think that's what people love about them. Kasi yung chemistry nilang dalawa, napaka-natural. Pag pinanood mo yun, nakakakilig yung parang gano'n. Kasi napaka-honest, napaka-natural. I think that's endears them. Hindi yung parang showbiz or put on, diba yung napapakilig, parang ganyan. Alam na yun na tao ngayon eh.
Si James may lalim siya eh. Yung tahimik, pero pag nandun sa set, sa eksena, nakukuha naman niya yung mga gusto namin paggawa sa kanya. Same with Nadine. Alam mo kasi ang artista pag nag-aaral ng script eh. Alam nila yung show, alam nila yung script, naggagawa sila ng assignment prior to that taping.
Mas nag-level up po kami dito, mas nag-mature ng konti. Konti lang naman. Ngayon po, hindi na siya puro pakilig, hindi na siya puro patawa. We feel so grateful na parang it's such a huge project. And yet, parang kami po yung binigyan. Kami po yung pinagkatiwalaan nila. So, napakalaki ng project na to. So, we feel so blessed and grateful.
Kahit hindi talaga sila in real life, kapag sumalang na sila sa eksena, kapag nandiyan na yung camera, nagiging parang sila eh. So, may certain magic sila eh, na hindi mo mapapaliwanag kung bakit. Kumbaga parang isang instant lang na gano'n. Nandun na yung kilig agad, yung chemistry. They really work as a team, as a love team. Hindi sila yung tipong iniiwan yung isa sa ere or hindi sa hayaan niya na masapawan yung isa.
With all that they've achieved in a short period of time, James and Nadine remain eternally grateful to everyone who tirelessly and wholeheartedly supports them, their fans.
They're crazy awesome. I don't know how to describe them po eh. They can make a topic trend. Basta gusto lang nila, they can make a trend.
Literally follow us everywhere. We had a show in Batangas, and they would fly even to our concert in Loag. And then even fans in LA would fly to San Francisco to see us when we were taping there. They're cool.
It's just crazy how kung paano sila ka-dedicated sa amin, kung gaano po sila sumusuporta sa amin.
Box office hits, chart-topping albums, new numerous magazine covers, jam-packed shows and concerts, and top-rating TV shows. There's just no stopping Jay Dean. All these achievements are way beyond what they dreamt for themselves.
When I look back how I was before and how I am now, I've come so far, and I'm proud of myself.
2013, naalala ko po, nagpaplano ako na tapusin yung studies ko. I was planning to graduate, to get into directing, gano'n. So parang until now, parang hindi pa rin po nagsisink in lahat. Ito, feeling ko po nananaginip pa ako.
They've achieved more than what they expected. They faced and conquered controversies thrown against them. And they've got legions of supporters ready to do anything for them. And it's only the beginning for Jay Dean.
Yung mga kilig na eksena, parang madali nila na-nail yun. Parang hindi na kailangan talagang masyadong mag-instruct. Perfect na sila dun sa kilig part.
Si James kasi maloko. Pagka inaantok na siya, ganyan, meron siyang mga ginagawang sounds na pinagtatawanan niya. Tapos parang nabubwisit naman to si Nadine. Of course, nagpapakita.
They play yung gano'n, nagbibiroan sila, pag nakikinig sila ng music, isang headset, mga ganyan-ganyan.
Masaya sila together at sobrang sweet din kasi ni James kay Nadine. Kaya makikita mo rin talaga yun on stage, yung alaga niya kay Nadine. Minsan nga minauso ngayon na boy backward eh, may ganun siya. Sobrang inaalagaan na rin.
Why are we numero uno? Because our fans, they're incredible. Their love ever since PBB for me. I still have fans since PBB that support me to this day, and they promote our show so much, and they help us out, and they're just as part of our fame and our success as we are.